Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to easily make Pav Bhaji. For this you will need 2 tablespoons of oil, 40 grams of butter, 2 green chilies, 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, 2 potatoes, beans, capsicum, 1/4 cup of green peas, half carrot, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 lemon and pav. For the spices, you will need salt, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder and 3 teaspoons of Pav Bhaji masala. Let's start by adding oil to a preheated pan. For now, we will add 30 grams of butter and let it melt. After the butter has melted, I am adding chopped green chilies and frying them for few seconds before adding ginger garlic paste. Give it a good mix. I will now add 2 chopped onions and fry till they turn golden. You can see that the onions have turned golden brown. I will now add tomato puree. You can also add chopped tomatoes. With this, I will also add salt and mix till oil starts to ooze. Now since the oil has started to ooze, I am adding turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder and Pav Bhaji masala. Stir well and add some water so that the spices do not burn. I am also adding garam masala and mixing it well. It's now time to add the vegetables. I have already boiled the vegetables so that the bhaji cooks faster. Adding boiled potatoes and mashing all the vegetables. Adding another half cup of water to nicely mix all the spices and give a good consistency. Cover the lid for 2 to 3 minutes so that all the vegetables become soft. I will now open the lid and mash all the vegetables once again. Adding 10 grams of butter and garnish with coriander. The bhaji is now ready. I will quickly toast some pavs to serve along with the bhaji. In a heated pan, add some butter and sprinkle some Pav Bhaji masala. Give it a good stir and heat the pav. Our Pav Bhaji is ready. Let me show you how it looks. It tastes delicious, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such easy recipe videos.